Today we're going to be talking about a specific topic, and that'll be the tax system itself. Most people think that the taxes are a punishment for making money, and it's actually not. It's actually a system that it rewards. It's a system of incentives. They're designed to push capital towards behaviors the government wants, and they penalize behaviors that go against the economic plans. So once you understand this, tax planning stops feeling like a game and starts feeling more like economics. Now, this is good to know because you can either go with the system or go against it. This tax code is not random. It doesn't exist to be fair. It exists to influence behaviors. Think about that. When your money flows in a direction the system wants, the tax code is going to reward you. When it flows against it, well, you end up paying more money. That's exactly what happens. It's not a loophole. That's just part of the design. Now, let me give you a clear example of this. Let's take, for example, solar investing. Solar investing, the government wants to offer massive tax credits, accelerated depreciation, long-term incentives for specifically you investing in solar projects. It's not generosity, it's policy. Energy independence matters, infrastructure matters, sustainability matters. So instead of the government building everything themselves, they do something smarter, it's a lot efficient. They incentivize private capital to do so. If you deploy capital into solar investing, the tax code effectively says, good, we want more of this. So it rewards that behavior in the form of what? Tax credit, depreciation, cash flow advantages. This is not because solar is special, but it's because it's aligned with economic goals. Now, compare that to, for example, consumption. If you deploy capital into things that don't build upon the infrastructure, they don't create leverage, or they don't expand productive capacity, the tax code says, fine, you do whatever you want, but you'll pay full freight, right? Higher taxes aren't a punishment. They're just a signal. They're telling you your money isn't helping move the system forward. I hope that makes sense. Now, this is where most businesses owners get this wrong. They don't overpay taxes because they're bad with money. They overpay taxes because they don't understand this system of incentives, right? What the tax system is actually encouraging people to do. They chase deductions, they chase write-offs, they chase tactics. That only works up to a point. Without the deductions, without strategy, don't build wealth. They just reduce pain temporarily. But essentially, what we want to do is we want to make sure that you deploy capital correctly and the capital is flowing in the right way, that it aligns with incentives that build on the tax system. Because when capital and incentives are aligned, tax savings are just a byproduct. They're not the goal. Sometimes that alignment leads to strategies like solar. Sometimes it leads to R&D credits. Sometimes it leads to retirement structures or reinvestment strategies, or simply waiting, deferrals, right? Sometimes the right decision is to do nothing yet because timing matters, right? The biggest tax mistakes don't come from missing deductions. They actually come from making structural decisions without understanding the incentive landscape. Once those decisions are locked in, they're expensive to unwind. That's exactly why we built the Insight Comprehensive Consultation. It's designed to take a look at what you have going on in your business. What are you doing? What are you not doing? What are the strategies that could be impacting you right now? What are things that we can push forward? What is in your future, right? But to review how your income, your entity structure, and your capital decisions interact with the tax system, we essentially need to take a deep dive into that, and it's a personalized, comprehensive consult that gives you a clear path whether you're in alignment with the system or not in alignment. If you're a business owner earning over $250,000 and you're unsure whether your current decisions are helping you or hurting you, then you need clarity. Clarity is the asset here. Make the decision once, make it correctly. You can book the Insight Comprehensive Consultation at the link below, and we will look into the exact points of your business that you should be focusing on. You can book the Insight Comprehensive Consultation at the link below. This content is educational and is not individualized tax advice. Every situation is different, which is why we have the comprehensive consultation. So I look forward to meeting you.